In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto-reply on Gorgias in just 5 minutes. This feature can really streamline your customer service experience by automatically sending messages to your customers when a ticket is created, ensuring they know their query is being managed. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. You'll want to type Gorgias into the search bar and open the official link to access the platform. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Gorgias account. It's crucial to have your login details ready so you can quickly move through this setup. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gorgias dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand side of the screen. Under Settings, you'll see an option called Ticket Management. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then find the Rules option within Ticket Management. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to continue. Now that you're in the Rules section, we're going to set an event that triggers your auto-reply. Look for the section titled When and click on Add Events. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to select the option for Ticket Created. By doing this, you're telling Gorgias that the auto-reply should be sent whenever a new ticket is created by a customer. Next, move on to the Then drop-down menu. Click it to open the options list, and you'll want to select Action. From there, choose Send Email. This step is essentially setting the action that will occur following the event we established earlier, that action being the email that's automatically sent. At this point, you'll see fields to fill out including To, CC, BCC, Subject, and Body. Here's where you can customize your auto-reply. For the To field, you'd typically put the customer's email address or a placeholder if you have one set up. You can use CC and BCC as needed for internal tracking or including other parties. The subject should clearly convey the purpose of the email, like, "Your support request has been received." In the body, craft a message that assures the customer that their ticket is now in the system and being reviewed. You can easily format this message using the built-in formatting tools that Gorgias provides, making your email both informative and visually appealing. Before wrapping up, ensure the Enable Rule toggle is switched on so that the rule is activated. Lastly, don't forget to click Create Rule to finalize everything. This step is crucial as it locks in your settings and gets your auto-reply up and running. And that's it. You've successfully set up an auto-reply on Gorgias. Auto-replies can significantly enhance your customer support efficiency, making sure your customers feel heard right away. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this setup helps you enhance your service process exponentially.